the steps independently or safely. So they would stand at the top of the stairway. Two people would gather with the tuck and carry and place it behind his back and making sure that his bottom is covered. And then they would have him sit back into the tuck and carry and do kind of a scooping motion to scoop it back. So you're going to 1, 2, 3. Yep. There you go. And then again, you're going to count your steps together.
Okay.
Yep.
Step. 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 Step.